Welcome again. So today we will be seeing about Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through the electric circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference across the circuit and is inversely proportional to the resistance of the circuit, provided the temperature remains the same or temperature remains constant. So V equal to I into R, that is Ohm's law. You can also write it as I equal to V by R. So you have voltage, current and resistance. So if you want to find voltage, you want to multiply current and resistance. If you want to find out current, you want to divide voltage and resistance. So only three components: voltage, current and resistor. So in problems to find Ohm's law, any two of this will be given and you will be asked to find out the unknown. So first we can see this problem. For a circuit with voltage V equal to 10 volt and resistor R equal to 1 kilo ohm, calculate the current I. So voltage V is given, resistance R is given. You want to find out the current. So I equal to V by R. You can simply substitute what are the things given and you can easily find out the value. Similarly this problem. If V equal to 12 volt and R equal to 4 kilo ohm, calculate I using Ohm's law. So V is given, R is given. So I equal to V by R. You can directly substitute what is V and what is R. You can divide it and you can find out what is the current. Now you can see this problem. For a circuit with voltage V equal to 10 volt and current I equal to 4 milliamps, calculate the resistance R. So voltage is given, current is given, resistance is the unknown. So R equal to V by I. You can substitute the values of V and I and you can find out what is R. Similarly this problem. If V equal to 18 volt and I equal to 2 milliamps, calculate R using Ohm's law. So V is given, I is given, R is the unknown. So R equal to V by I. You can substitute the values, you can find out what is R. For a circuit with the resistance 10 kilo ohm and current 10 milliamps, calculate the voltage. So here V is the unknown. So V equal to I into R. You can substitute the values of I and R. You can find out what is V. If R equal to 20 kilo ohm and I equal to 1 milliamps, calculate the voltage V using Ohm's law. So resistance R value is given, current I value is given. V is the unknown. So V equal to I into R. You can simply substitute the given values and you can find out the unknown. An EMF source of 6 volt is connected to a purely resistive lamp and a current of 2 amps flows. All the wires are resistance free. Find R of the lamp. So here voltage is given, current is given. You are supposed to find out R. Simply substitute the values, you will get the answer. Next we can see this problem. What battery voltage would cause 0.75 amps to flow through a 300 ohm resistor? So 0.75 amps current is given, 300 ohm resistance R value is given. So V is equal to I into R. You can simply substitute the values and you can find out the voltage. What is the resistance of a heating element that allows 15 amps to flow when 440 volt is applied to it? So 15 amps current is given, 440 watt voltage is given. You want to find out R. R equal to V by I. Just substitute the values, you will get the value of R. Next we can see this problem. How much current flows through an electric toaster that has a resistance of 32 ohm when 120 volt is applied to it? So resistance 32 ohm, R is given, V is given. So I equal to V by R. Just substitute the values, you will get the answer. See this. A battery causes 250 milliamps to flow when it is applied to a light bulb with a resistance of 50 ohm. So current value is given, resistance value is given. How much current would flow if the same source were applied to a 12 ohm resistor? So first a current value is given and a resistance value is given. Using these two, find out the voltage. See here, how much current would flow if the same source, this is a source, voltage source. So this voltage is applied to a 12 ohm resistor. So in that case, what will be the current flowing through it? So I equal to V by R. Substitute this V, substitute this R. Find out the current. Very simple problem. Check this. A 100 watt light bulb draws 833 milliamps when the rated voltage is applied. What is the rated voltage? So 833 milliamps current is given. 100 watt. Watt means power. Power is V into I. So power is 100 watt, I is 833. We know power is V into I. So power is given, substitute for power, voltage is unknown, current is given, substitute it. Simplify it, you will get what is the voltage. Check this problem. A 160 ohm load is connected to a 325 volt source. So resistance is given, voltage is given. If the source voltage is increased to 425 volt, what value must be the load resistance? So when the source voltage 325 is increased to 425, in that case what should be the load resistance? Be changed to keep the current flow the same. So in both cases the current should be the same. So first we can take this 160 and 325. So in that case we are going to find out the current. So this is the current. For this current to flow, what should be the value of resistance when voltage is changed? So R equal to V by I. So for this value of R, voltage is 425 and current is 2.03. So you can easily find it out. Okay, so problems in Ohm's law will be very, very simple. Out of these three, any one will be unknown. You can easily solve problems in Ohm's law. Thank you.